Stuck in a hailstorm, everybody. I'm under a freaking bent tree so I don't get hit in the head with hail. Because I don't know how big it's going to get. They get really big around here. You see it bouncing. Yeah, it's getting bigger. And it doesn't feel all that good. I hope you guys enjoy these videos I make. I'm Mike with Omega Survival. If you ever get stuck out in a hailstorm on a trail, try to find a bent tree and stand under it. That's my advice. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.